Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to do block blast glitches. So if you also want to do block blast glitches, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open block blast application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. If you haven't downloaded this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, I have selected the classic mode. The glitch in the block blast actually helps you achieve high score. Basically, they give the same 3 blocks and it's just a never-ending combo for a while. This happens only once in a while. So doing the block blast glitch is actually not in your hand. You'll have to exercise your patience. You'll have to be lucky enough to encounter the glitch. Once you encounter the glitch, you'll receive the same 3 blocks. You'll get a never-ending combo. It will help you achieve the super high score. It is like a cheat to get to the high score. So if you also want to do the block blast glitches, just exercise your patience and hope for the best. So that is how you do block blast glitches. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.